Imagine a world where robots do your job. Is that a crazy dream? Or the future Elon Musk is building with Optimus? Remember when Tesla was just fancy electric cars? Buckle up because Elon Musk wants to turn your vision of the future upside down. Meet Optimus, the Tesla bot promising to be more than just metal and res. Cool, isn't? Or does it give you goosebumps? The basics on Optimus. Optimus is Tesla's idea of a general-purpose humanoid robot. Think less robot overlord and more helpful assistant. It's designed to look vaguely humanish, with cameras for eyes and hands that can manipulate objects. The big idea? To handle those boring, repetitive, or even dangerous tasks humans do right now, especially in factories. Imagine assembly lines that never get tired and workers freed up to do more creative stuff. So how does it actually work? Optimus borrows a lot of tech from Tesla's self-driving cars, sensors to see the world and AI brain to make decisions. But walking on two legs and interacting with objects is seriously next level. Think of how hard it is to make a toddler stop bumping into things, and now try programming that coordination. What's the buzz? Like most Tesla stuff, Optimus generates two major reactions: mind-blown excitement or total eye-rolling. They see the potential, smoother factories, dangerous jobs made safer, maybe even a robot buddy to help out around the house. Optimists think this could be revolutionary, the next step after the assembly line. And then there are the skeptics. They point out that humanoid robots are notoriously tricky. Think of those viral videos of robots face-planting or dropping food everywhere. They argue Optimus is more likely to be a flashy distraction than a real solution to big problems. The reality check. When we compare Optimus to robots from other companies like Boston Dynamics, it's notorious the way Atlas seems to be behind on this robots race. But we have to agree, Atlas raises like a Walking Dead zombie. And let's be real, the Optimus we've seen is a long way from the sleek bot Tesla promises. It walks like it needs a diaper change, and those demos are super controlled. But hey, Tesla has surprised us before. Remember the Cybertruck? Insert Elon chuckle meme maybe? What should we expect soon? Optimus doing specific tasks in controlled environments. In the near future, expect more polished demos of Optimus doing specific tasks, carrying boxes, picking up stuff, very slow and steady stuff. Don't expect it waltzing into your kitchen and making you coffee. At least, not anytime soon. Remember, competitors are out there and Boston Dynamics robots are doing flips, opening doors, but let's not forget Tesla isn't alone here. Boston Dynamics has those freaky agile robots, but they're not designed for mass production like Optimus is supposed to be. This is a whole new kind of robot race. Why should you care? Optimus, whether it succeeds or spectacularly fails, highlights a major shift in where technology is going. Seriously, if robots can take on routine tasks, that has enormous implications for the way we work. On the good side, productivity could be off the charts. Let's get real about our robot future. But what about the people whose jobs are replaced? We need to start having that conversation now, or we'll be as unprepared for the robot revolution as the Luddites were for machines way back when. Beyond jobs, a world with increasingly intelligent robots will look fundamentally different. Optimus might be an important step along that path, or it might be a stumble that teaches us some valuable lessons. This isn't just about technology anymore. Introducing robots that can blend seamlessly into our lives raises ethical questions the brightest minds are wrestling with. How much control are we comfortable giving to AI? Could robots become so capable that we need to consider some kind of robot rights? Sounds like wild sci-fi now, but Optimus could bring those questions into focus sooner than we think. Is Optimus a glimpse at a better future, or a sign that tech is moving too fast without considering the consequences? Share your thoughts in the comments. And for more on how AI is reshaping our world, hit that subscribe button and the bell.